Available now at the Moorhead-Outlet store. We have a used 2009 Case IH Magnum 245 tractor ready to go with 245 horsepower and power shift transmission. This tractor is in good condition, mechanically and cosmetically, with an estimated use of 1,575 hours. The front tires in this Case MX245 are Goodyear 320 R35s, and the rear duals are Goodyear 380 R50s. The rear of this Case MX245 is equipped with a 3-point hydraulic hitch, 4 remotes, and 1000 PTO. The cab is clean, climate controlled, and equipped with a passenger seat, digital gauges, and CD player. If you're interested in this Case IH Magnum 245 tractor and would like more information, give us a call at 877-886-7010 or visit us on the web at www.titanoutletstore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.